Hello and welcome to Baby Steps in Create Studio 3 Part 7, Customizing Templates and Scenes. Right. First of all, I'm going to give you the version. It is 3.4.1 as we had an update last week, and I'm Tony of Tony's Tutorials. Let's get on with it. What we're going to do is going to do this restart your business. We're going to click on that, start editing that one. It'll upload, and you might need to download resources from it, which it'll come up saying that, and you'll just click on it and it'll download the resources for it. Right, if that does that, that's fair enough. You just have to wait for it to happen. Once that's done, let's move this up a bit. I can't move it, right? Let's just play it and let's see where we are. Right, let's see where the first part is that we have to change. That's the first part we've got to change, right? So we go down here. As you can see, that's where the playhead is, so it's got to be this one, right? So there you can see it says video here, replace. So we want to replace that for what we want, right? So click on replace, go to import media, we get our video. I've got a video there, that'll do, put that in. It might not be exactly the same, but it'll do for what we need, right? So that's the one we're going to use. Now we do that, and it's automatically gone in there, right? So let's just check that from the beginning. Let's play that and see how it looks. Okay. As you can see, that cut off too short for my video, right? So what I need to do is I need to, first of all, I need to get back into this set here, this group. So I've got to open the group. As you can see, my video finishes a bit further on. So what we need to do is move the playhead only, nothing else. Just move the playhead to there, right where the end of my video is. Then go back out of the group. Right, now we go down here, and all we need to do is move that one further over like that. Then if you want to get the others back in line, you need to do is just click on each one and click your control key or your command key according to what you're using. I need to try and get it to, can't get it to move down now. That's the trouble. I've got a problem with being able to get down. That's it. It's working now. Wasn't working just. Okay, there you go. That one. It's doing that again now. Right, let's move down, and let's just move all these across like that, right to roughly where there was, and then move this across a bit more to there, right? That's covered that, right? So now we'll have a look at that and see that it covers our video. There you go. That's finished that, right? So that was pretty good. Now if you want to, you can click on this one. So you click on there and it says click here to change text 1, click here to change text 2. Click on text 1. He tries so hard to get his business off the ground. Let's change it to oops, that should be capital, shouldn't it? Okay, he tried so hard to rocket his business into space. Okay, and then the second text, come on, what's that? Yeah, that one should be okay. He tried hard to rocket his business to space, but it just wouldn't take off. So we'll leave that one. That one's okay, right? So that's pretty good, isn't it? But you can change it by just clicking on it if you want to, and just change it, right? So you can do it that way, and then you go on to the next one. Then you discovered. So you click on that one, and it says. Then you discovered your business. So you click on your business bit. So it's Tony's tutorials. Yeah. Oops, I forgot. It's in capitals, isn't it? There you go. Then you discovered Tony's tutorials. Well, it's not plain sailing, is it? The next bit. And it's in, yeah, look, let's see. And life is back to plain sailing. The rowing. They're not sailing. They haven't got a sailing boat, so. What would we put for that? And life is back to steady paddle. Yeah, that sounds better. A steady paddle to me anyway. Oops, took the off. Okay, so I've changed it. Right, now go to the next bit. Add your text here, so we can do that one as well. So let's click on that. Add your text here. Please. Whoops, I forgot I still got the capitals on. Please like and subscribe, and then 2. Alright, let's go over to that bit. So text 2. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to just do that. Add your second title here. Please like and subscribe, and click. Start again. Right, like that, and click the notifications bell. So we've added to all that. Then add your main title here, and that's the end, isn't it, really? I think add your main title here, and enjoy the party. I'm going to put there. Now we've gone there. Keep doing that. Right. Okay, so and enjoy the party. Right. Our team works for your sake. Our team works for your success. You can change it if you want to on the next one. Well, you got to click on each one, and it just tells you what to do there. So you just do our team works. So what you do is click in on that, and it comes up. I've done it again, haven't I? go. That sounds good, doesn't it? We want you to learn and enjoy our channel. Right, and then we go on to the next bit, which will be the last one, I think, Annie. Yeah, there's going to be. I'm going to get me thingy for that. Hang on. Let's click on something. Click off here a sec. Click off here a sec. I want to Google Chrome. My channel, and I want. Where is it now? That's the one I need to look for. Settings. Where am I? Tarnish tutorials. There it is. Oh, that's it there. Put that on. Copy. And go back on there. And just do change that in a sec. Go and paste it. It's saying it. Okay, let me paste it. So Control V. Yeah, that's got it. Right, at Tony's Tutorials ZK8MH. And then what was that one? That was go to YouTube today, and then that makes sense, doesn't it? At Tony's Tutorials, blah blah blah. Right, so go to YouTube today, Tony's Tutorials, blah blah blah. Right, and then here we could add in something, so we could click on there. And what we need to do then is, when we're in there, as you can see, it's over this corner, which is a bit of a nuisance, so I'm right in the way there. So what I need to do is import my media, which is my YouTube information, which is now on my G drive. So let's have a look. I think it's on my G drive. I've got so much stuff, but all sorts of things I want to do. Right, oops, that's it, yeah. Tutorials, and where is it? That's the one. There we go. Let me just bring that in to come in. Click on that and then put it there. And bring it across there in a minute. What we'll do is put that there. Just take it back like that. And then just have it motion in. So we just click on motion, position, from left. Now that's from right. That's where I want it, yeah. So that's all you got to do. So we'll do that bit and see how that looks. That looks pretty good. That's coming at the right time. And what I could do is, at the end of that, is click on that there and do out as fade out. Let's see if I can. I can't do anything with it. Right there. So, yeah, so we got that. Hang on, I need to do something with this, and I can't do anything with it because that's in the way now. I moved it from the other side so I'd have room. Oh dear. The trouble. Got nowhere to put my image here, so what I'll do is I'll just take that off because I can't do it. I'll just take that off. Ain't letting me take it off now. Oh damn. That's it. I want to put that down to only a little bit, so it just does a little bit at the end. That's it. Okay, let's just try that. I managed to do it, thankfully. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so I've done that. Let's get back into it. and let's start it from the beginning and let's just have a look, see how it goes. As you can see, that's not in position right. I'm going to just do something about that. I just noticed that it had gone out of position, look. That's weird, that thing's supposed to be out of position like that. So something's happened there. I'll have to check that out. What's happened there? Let's go to position that back there. Let's try that now. That was weird. That's better. Yeah. As you can see, that's worked really well, and all I've done is I've done what it allows you to do by clicking on these and clicking on them, right? There is another way you can do it by clicking on the actual group and doing like I did when I had to make it longer for my video. You can put the video in there and replace the video that's on, and then you'd have to put resize it and everything to do it that way, but that's a bit harder. But they made it so easy. All you do is replace the things and replace the text. If you need anything else, or you need an advanced tutorial on these, get back to me and I will let you know how to do that as well. But this is just a beginner's guide to it, so hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's been useful to you, and if so, please like and subscribe to Tony's Tutorials, and I'll see you in the near future. Thank you.